Have you ever found yourself struggling to convert a string into an array in PowerShell? It can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue and show you exactly how to do it. I totally get it. Trying to manipulate strings and arrays can feel overwhelming, especially when you're on a deadline. You're not alone in this. Many people face similar challenges when coding. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked how to convert a space-separated string like apple, pear, peach, banana into an array format for use in a for-each loop. Sound familiar? If you're looking to do the same, stick around as we break it down. So why is this conversion necessary? When you want to process multiple items in PowerShell, using an array allows you to loop through each item easily. This is especially useful when you're prompting users for input. And don't go anywhere. I have a handy tip at the end that will make your PowerShell scripting even smoother. To begin, the user needs to take the space-separated string and split it into an array. This can be done using the split method in PowerShell. Next, the user should assign the result of the split method back to a variable. This will create an array that can be used in a for-each loop. Now that the user has the array, they can use it in a for-each loop. This allows them to iterate over each fruit in the array. Finally, the user can prompt for input using readHost. This will allow them to enter a space-separated string that will be converted to an array. Fun fact, did you know that PowerShell was originally designed to help system administrators automate tasks? It's come a long way since then, making scripting easier for everyone. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is to use the split method. This approach allows you to convert a space-separated string into an array easily. Now let's see a response from a different user. An alternative solution provided by another user is to use the split method. They suggest using the command text.split to convert a space-separated string into an array. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution provided by a user is to use the split method. You can convert your space-separated string into an array by using the command $text equals $text split space. Here's that handy tip I promised. Always remember to validate your input. You can use the readHost command to prompt users for their fruit input, ensuring you get the right data every time. And there you have it. You've successfully converted a string into an array in PowerShell. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and keep scripting like a pro.